What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. After the finale of the second season of The Mandalorian, there was some confusion about the third season, as well as a brand new show that was announced, The Book of Boba Fett, coming December of 2021, which was actually announced in the post-credit scene of The Mandalorian. Before we get into the full details though, I do have to say spoilers for the season 2 finale of The Mandalorian, as that obviously has massive implications on what will occur in the third season. With our spoiler warning out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it. The season 2 finale of The Mandalorian seemingly wrapped up its major storyline, as Din Djarin was successful in his task of getting Grogu to a Jedi, that Jedi of course being Luke Skywalker. In the end credits though, it was announced that Boba Fett would be getting his own series on Disney+, The Book of Boba Fett, releasing December of 2021, around the same time period that season 3 of The Mandalorian was slated for release. This led many to speculate, myself included, that the third season of The Mandalorian could actually follow Boba Fett, and because The Mandalorian was told in chapters that this would be a new book following Boba, with the Book of Boba Fett and the third season of The Mandalorian being one and the same. However, according to a Lucasfilm artist on Twitter, this is not the case. In the tweet, he makes it clear that he is not an official representative of Lucasfilm or a spokesperson, but he does in fact work for them, and believes that the Boba Fett show and the third season of Mando are completely different shows even if they're shooting around the same time, and even if they're premiering around the same time. It's actually believed that the third season of The Mandalorian will begin filming immediately after the Boba show concludes, and the Boba show is likely a far more limited series, being 3 or maybe even 4 episodes, with the third season of The Mandalorian of course being a fully fledged, fully formed show, and a continuation of the story. Again, I will keep you guys updated when we hear from Lucasfilm directly, but it is heartening to know that an artist at Lucasfilm has at least said that they are 2 different shows. Anyway guys, what are your thoughts on this? And what are your thoughts on the confusion of the Book of Boba Fett and the third season of The Mandalorian potentially being one and the same? Again, as soon as the full Lucasfilm announce team discusses this, I will be sure to make a video on it. But it seems as if for right now, the Boba Fett show and The Mandalorian season 3 are completely separate projects, and will simply air around the same time, meaning we'll be getting 2 shows next year, around the Christmas season that is. Again, there's a big sale on the Star Wars merch page for the holiday season, and the discount continues, so if you're interested, be sure to check it out, link in the description down below. As always my friends, may the Force be with you, and have a great day.